Hey, if you're looking for the swamp, it's just north of the mysterious forest. So if you go to the north exit of the forest and then kind of just take a right after you do that, you'll hit the swamp. And through here is where the second dungeon is, if that's what you're looking for. It took me a while to find this for some reason. Thought that maybe a couple people would also have that same trouble. So again, it's once you go through the mysterious forest, you go straight up through it to the north exit, and then you take a right, and then the swamp will be right there. And that's how you do it. Okay, and if this video helped you, please like it, and please remember, don't subscribe to me.